Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to generate a production cost sheet report in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the production module, click on Production Reports Queries, then go to Production Raw Material Reports. Then open the cost sheet report. Click on Configuration to create a new report setup and assign a suitable report configuration name. Under the Print Options section, tick to Enable Transaction Types Totals. Enabling this option displays totals grouped by each transaction type within a job order. The Job Order Totals option, when selected, it displays the overall total cost per job order, summarizing all related transaction types into a single consolidated total. Select Control Break as job order wise to group and display the report data separately for each job order, providing a clear view of costs per job. In the Report Options section, select Raw Material Rates from the drop-down to specify which rate type will be used for calculating raw material costs in the report. The Markup MRP as option allows you to define how the system displays the markup MRP rates in the report. In the Report Order section, you can arrange components in the desired sequence using the provided buttons for a clear and organized report layout. You can also enable the option to display the quantity produced net cost from issue in the report for a more detailed cost analysis. Once all the settings are configured, save the configuration. The report setup has now been successfully created. Finally, click Create to generate the report. The generated report will display all available columns. To customize them, open the Setup Column Attributes option. First, unselect all columns and then select only those you want to include in the report. You can also rearrange the column order using the arrow keys accordingly. Save the changes and refresh the report by pressing the F2 key. As you can see, the updated data has been reflected in the report. This report is used to analyze all costs incurred during the production of a product over a specific period. It provides a comprehensive overview of production costs, including raw materials, processes, and the final product cost, all consolidated in one place.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.